welcome to my channel Daily Rosie Math Fun. And so today we will learn about the combinations. Okay, so we have a question like, how many ways can I select 3 pencils from 6 different pencils? So do you have answered? Okay, so let's move on to the lesson in the detail so we can get the correct answer after watching this video. Okay, so the first thing is combinations fundamentals. We will look at the definition first. You can see the screen. A combination is a collection of items where the order of the items does not matter. Okay, so this is very important, so you have to learn the definition carefully to apply this into the practical exercises. Okay, so we have to note that usually the words permute, order does matter, etc. imply a permutation, while the words choose, select, orders doesn't matter imply a combination. So it is the keyword for us to identify the permutation and combination. We will like this. These are very different, so we can base on the keywords to to clarify the permutation or combination. Okay, so move on to the example to apply all the definition and remark about into the example. Okay, so how many ways can I select 3 pencils from 6 different pencils? The questions I also mentioned in the first slide when introduce this video. Okay, so you can pause the video and think about the solution for this example. Okay, we have 6 pencils at the screen. Okay, so how many ways can I select 3 pencils from 6 different pencils? Okay, so let's try to approach this similarly to permutations as we already learned about the previous video. If anyone doesn't see my video, the previous video about permutation, you can see the video permutation first and come to this video. It's maybe more useful. Okay, so there are 6 choices for the first pencil, 5 choices for the second pencil, and 4 choices for the third pencil. So the total number of ways is 6 multiple 5 multiple 4 equal 120. Yeah, this is the result. But is this only the total number of ways of we pick up the 3 samples from 6 pencils, right? Maybe in your mind have some questions. One is like, it is the number of ways of choosing or arranging, or so how do we account for this? And how many ways are there to order them? Maybe these questions will appear in your mind, right? Okay, so for the first question, is this the number of ways of choosing or arranging? Remember that we are just selecting 3 pencils, so the order doesn't matter. Therefore, we are overcounting many cases. For example, choosing pencil A first and pencil B second is the same as choosing pencil B first and pencil A second, right? And so how do we account for this? For this example, when there are 6 different pencils. Well, to answer that questions, we must consider how many ways there are to order the pencils. Let's say we have 3 pencils, right? And so, how many ways are there to order them? This is just the combination of 3 because we are arranging 3 objects in order. Therefore, we are overcounting by a factor of combination 3. So, the total number of ways to choose 3 pencils from 6 different pencils is just 20. Okay, so through the example, I also explain in very detail, so you can pause the video and review all the explanation in the screen to know more about this example. Okay, so move on to the combination formula. You can see the number of ways to choose k objects out of a total of n objects is the formula I put in the screen. So we have to remember because it's very important, and the key thing for it to apply this formula to solve the example exercises. And we have to notice that this is the true because choosing k objects that are part of your selection left hand side, you can see the formula in the left hand side, is equivalent to choosing the n minus k objects that are not be part of your selection in the right hand side. Okay, so they are equal, they are equivalent. Okay, so this is all about the combination, the definition, the formula, and some remark we have to remember to solve the combination exercises effectively. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. So if you see the video is very useful, so you can subscribe my channel and like and share the video for other students. Okay, thank you.